Hello, tech-savvy folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we're always excited to introduce you to the coolest tech tools out there. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and showcasing 7 amazing AI tools that are making our lives easier and more creative, from sparking your imagination to simplifying everyday tasks. These tools are here to amaze you. Let's jump right in. 1. ChatGPT, your AI conversational partner. Ever wished you had someone to chat with any time? Meet ChatGPT. It's like having a friendly AI pal that can hold conversations on just about anything. Whether you need advice, a story, or just a casual chat, ChatGPT is your go-to companion. Example: Hey ChatGPT, tell me a joke. ChatGPT: Sure thing. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. 2. Pictory. Turn ideas into visuals. Got a creative mind but struggle with drawing? Pictory is here to help. This AI tool turns your descriptions into colorful visuals. Just describe what you have in mind and watch Pictory bring your ideas to life. Example: Pictory, create a drawing of a cozy cabin in the woods with a river nearby. Pictory generates a beautiful image of a cabin surrounded by trees and a serene river. 3. ElevenLabs, simplifying code with AI calling all coders. ElevenLabs is your coding assistant. It helps you write cleaner, more efficient code by suggesting improvements and catching errors in real time. It's like having a coding buddy who always has your back. Example: as you type out code, ElevenLabs highlights a line with a suggestion. Consider using a for loop here to simplify the code. 4. Grammarly, your AI writing assistant. Good writing just got better with Grammarly. It's like a super smart proofreader that checks your writing for spelling, grammar, and even suggests ways to make your sentences clearer. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves to write. Example: I can't wait to see you. Grammarly suggests, I can't wait to see you. 5. Replika, your personal AI therapist feeling down, need someone to talk to. Replika is an AI chatbot designed to be your emotional support buddy. It listens, understands, and offers a virtual shoulder to lean on when you're feeling blue. Example: I had a rough day, Replika. Replika, I'm here to listen. Tell me what happened, and I'll lend an ear. 6. x.ai, your AI scheduler. Tired of back and forth emails to schedule meetings? x.ai is the solution. This AI tool helps you schedule meetings effortlessly by coordinating everyone's availability. Just copy x.ai on your email, and it takes care of the rest. Example: Hi x.ai, please find a suitable time slot next week for a team meeting. x.ai responds with available time options and sets up the meeting once you confirm. 7. Canva, your AI graphic designer. Creating eye-catching graphics is a breeze with Canva. This AI-powered design tool offers templates and suggestions to help you make stunning social media posts, presentations, and more, even if you're not a design expert. Example: design a birthday party invitation with balloons and confetti. Canva provides multiple design options with customizable elements for you to choose from. Conclusion: there you have it. 7 remarkable AI tools that are changing the way we work, create, and communicate. From chatting with ChatGPT to designing with Canva, these tools are here to enhance our lives and make things a whole lot easier. Which one are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech wonders. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the magic of AI.